Contests can be a great tool for managers to motivate their team members with some healthy competition. In OKRify, contests can be created for users or teams. In this video, we will see how you can create contests for users. Managers or admins can create contests directly from the contest tab using the create contest icon. The create contest page, you can enter the contest name. So we are going to create a contest for BDRs for the summer. And then you can click on this icon and enter a long description, detailed description about the contest. In the type, you can select user or team as the contest type. So we're going to do the user. In the leaderboard, you can enable the leaderboard. This will activate leaderboard for all the participants of the contest. As a default, managers always have access to the leaderboard. You can enter the start date and the time for the contest. Similarly, end date and the time for the contest. The time zone is defaulted to the user's time zone. You can also change it. We can enter which team you want to run the contest for. We are going to do the sales team. This will automatically default the owner from the team and also the users from the team. You can enter multiple teams. The team is only used to default the users and the managers, the owners. It's not used for anything else. And also you can enter the prize. At least one prize is required for the contest. Let's enter a couple of prizes for these contests. First position, we're going to give a 5K bonus. And for the second position, you can give a 3K bonus. And in the contest, basically you can enter one or more KPIs. KPIs basically can be based on any Salesforce objects. So we are going to use three KPIs for this example. So the first one is going to be outbound calls. This is based on the activity generated by the BDRs. So for the BDRs to be correctly assigned, we need to select the assign to field. So we are going to do created by. So the created by ID field will be used to assign the specific Salesforce records to the correct BDR. Here the point calculation. So there are three types. If you select total value, then the actual KPI value for each user will be used for the calculation of the positions. You need to give a weight. The total weights has to be equal to 100. If you're giving just one KPI, then you can just enter 100 for that KPI. Then to the second KPI, which will be meetings. So again, assign to is important. So I'm going to select created for this one. You can also do points. In the points, you can give points, specific points for the KPI values. Again, this is for each user. So let's give 1 point for every 3 meetings, and then we can give a weight. The final one will be leads. So we're going to select qualified leads. In this case, I'm going to use owner ID for the assign to, and I'm going to select percentage of target. When you select percentage of target, what it means is the calculation for the position is based on how much progress is each of the participant is making against the target. You can also set custom targets for each user, or if you just want to use the same target, you can also use the same target. The target is actually also visible for the participants. This way they know how much they have to achieve. By providing different targets for different users, you kind of have a great flexibility for the contest to set targets for different people in different levels, correct? And we are going to give a weight of 50 for the qualified leads. Basically, that's all the information you need for a contest. So creating contest is really simple in OKRify. You can create literally in 5 minutes a contest. Save will save the contest in the draft status, and save and activate will activate the contest. The participants can view the contest details in the contest tab. Here, I am logged in as David McGee. The David McGee can clearly see the position that he is currently in for the contest. And he can also see the different API values, including the one with the targets. And if you click on the info button, that will display the details about the contest, including the prices, the start date, end date, managers, etc. And then here, if you have enabled leaderboard, the user can also see the position of all the different participants in the contest. They can also click on the leadership with details, leaderboard with details, where it will show the different KPIs for each of these users. So this way, the participants get a clear view of their current position. If leaderboard is enabled, they can also see what others are doing.
Thank you for watching this video.